Sarah. This is Sarah Traub from Have It Alls on YouTube, and thank you so much for joining me. I wanted to show you this cup turner or cuptisserie, whatever you'd like to refer to it as. This cup turner is by GR8TWARE, and it is a hot pink color. And let me grab the packaging to this really quick. So this actually came, so you can see it came in a rather skinny box. This is the box that it came in, and there is some directions on the back. Now, one of the things that I changed about the assembly of this was these little screws right here. If you see them, the head of the screw, the part where you stick the screwdriver in, was shown on top the cup turner, and the tip of the screw was pointing downwards. But what I figured out was that when that happened, the screws stuck out further than these little foam feet that came with it. Let me show you this way. So the screw itself, the tip of it, stuck out longer than the foam feet. And so all I did to fix that was it was only these 5 screws here. I just reversed them. So instead of the tip pointing down, I pointed the tips up, and it works just fine that way. So there was a screw here, a screw here, there, and there, and that's the ones that, and then we had to add this one in too. Now, one thing is it comes with this roll of gray foamy stuff, and maybe some of y'all out there like this stuff. I couldn't get it to stay. I probably could have hot glued it or something, but it did not hold my cup anyway. The size, like a 30 ounce or like a 20 ounce, it was not holding my cups good. So then let me get this. I went to the Dollar Tree and I got one of those foam footballs. Of course, I've kind of messed this one up a little bit, pulling it on and off of my cup turners. But anyway, you get the idea of it. Got one of those little Dollar Tree footballs, stuck it on the end there, and then that holds my cups pretty good. So let me get this plugged in. This is a 3-prong cord, and on the cord it actually has the on-off switch. So let me go ahead and get this plugged in. The price point of this one currently is $30.99. It has a 4.5-star review, which is good. And one of the cutest little things, it came with this little screwdriver. Look, I'm a sucker for little things like that. It came with a little bitty screwdriver to assemble it. How cute is that? Anyway, so I'm going to switch this on. I'll put this motor up here so you can hear it running. It's actually pretty quiet. When you get up close to it, you can kind of hear a little, like almost like a purr to it, but it's actually not that loud. That doesn't bother me. I'm not bothered. So anyway, let me get a cup on here. So you can see it in action. Now there we go. I got it kind of leveled out now. There is no adjustable speed or anything, but you know, that's running at a pretty good speed to be able to work. Let's see if it says, does it say how many RPMs or anything on here? I'm not seeing it. Oh, 3 RPMs. So it said it's good. It fits 20 to 25 ounce cups and mugs. But honestly, I've used these enough. I could see a 30 ounce fitting on there. So anyway, this is the cup turner by GR8TWARE. Let me show you the little panel box too on the back here. Cord points downwards. The little foam feet came with it, and you did put those on yourself. So it came kind of all broken down, and you did have to kind of assemble it. Besides the motor box and all this was just, it came as one piece, a second piece, and a third piece, and a fourth piece. So you just screwed this, stuck it through the little plastic assembly right there. I am a little nervous about that plastic assembly there. You just be really careful not to get your epoxy over that, or maybe, I don't know, I would probably even put a little oil or lubricant or something there. That would probably keep the epoxy from sticking. So anyway, this is the cup turner by GR8TWARE. I would definitely recommend this one. It's made out of metal, and it seems to be good quality, and it's a fun color too, and definitely one of the better price points that's out there. Thanks for joining me. Bye.